Hi, my name is Elena. I did an analysis of education and income across Arizona counties. This presentation analyzes whether educational attainment influences median household income across the Arizona counties that we had looked at. The goal is to statistically evaluate the strength, significance, and the predictive power of this relationship. The research question. How does educational attainment influence median household income across Arizona counties? Arizona counties vary substantially in education levels and income, and this research investigates whether those differences are systematically related or not. So the hypothesis. Counties in Arizona with higher percentage of residents holding a bachelor's degree will have a higher median household income and higher per capita income than counties with lower levels of educational attainment. The null hypothesis assumes no statistical relationship. The alternative hypothesis predicts a positive association based on human capital theory. So the data set. What we used is the population data that we had from 2020, which covered 14 Arizona counties. Many variables. The two we chose to isolate today is going to be the bachelor's plus and the median household income. And the good thing about this data set, it is continuous quantitative data, and it makes them appropriate for correlation and regression analysis. So statistical methods: Pearson correlation, t-test of correlation, and the simple linear regression. So the t-test results, the correlation coefficient of 0.86 indicates a strong positive relationship. This p-value below 0.001 allows us to reject the null hypothesis with high confidence. For the regression model, for every 1% increase in bachelor's degree attainment, median household income increases by approximately $7,000. This indicates a strong predictive relationship between education and income across counties. The R-squared value demonstrates strong explanatory power. Education alone explains nearly 3/4 of the variation in income. So I had used a regression visualization prompt, and you can see from the upward sloping in this regression line that it clearly illustrates a positive relationship. Counties with higher educational attainment consistently show higher income levels. How can we interpret all this data is very simple, right? So education strongly predicts income differences. That's just what the data shows. Higher attainment equals a higher earning potential. And these findings also align with the economic theory suggesting education increases labor market opportunities and access to higher paying jobs. So some strengths: ton of numbers, ton of data, statistical significance. All that statistics can explain all of this, and it's just builds this very clear visual pattern of what we're trying to look at. Some limitations are some small sample sizes and some other factors not, added in, like different demographic variables and things like that. So that is a little bit difficult, and it kind of limits the analysis a little, if you will. And policy implications. So this would be something that we would look at for investment in higher education. We would do educational access to reduce income disparities. While some say free education, I say maybe you're trying to help out your economy. Regardless, education is a powerful predictor of income across Arizona counties. That's just the facts. That's what the stats show. And overall, the statistical analysis demonstrates a strong, significant, and meaningful relationship between bachelor's attainment and median household income. Thank you.